Okay, so this is what we're going to use. I'm going to mark this side because then, you know, like pen and whatever you won't see. You're going to stay there? I don't think you're going to stay there. You might do, but there's wind coming from that way. Long story short, I'll just get on with this. So I know that it's just a bit less than this length. Wipe the surface down already, but it's still a little bit. Still a little bit wet in some places, but that's okay. Hey, you didn't stay, but that's fine. So you can see what I'm talking about. So you know what? I'll turn this off. I'm going to clamp it down and then cut it.